खबर विधानसभा भोपाल से। आपको बता दें कि नरसिंहपुर जिले के तेंदुखेड़ा के मोदी परिवार से भारतीय जनता पार्टी जिला उपाध्यक्ष महेश मोदी की भतीजी बिटिया पल्लवी मोदी ने भारत सरकार युवा खेल मंत्रालय द्वारा विधानसभा भोपाल में आयोजित विकसित भारत युवा सांसद केंद्रीय बजट 2026 विकसित भारत पर शानदार उद्बोधन दिया, जो सराहनीय था। उद्बोधन के दौरान पल्लवी मोदी की फायर ब्रांड स्पीच ने तेंदुखेड़ा, नरसिंहपुर जिले और मध्य प्रदेश पर का गौरव बढ़ाया। ऐसा ही प्रतिभाएं राष्ट्र को गौरवान्वित करने का कार्य करती हैं। दबंग इंडिया न्यूज के लिए राजू सिंह राजपूत की रिपोर्ट।
है नरसिंहपुर जिले से पल्लवी मोदी, इसके बाद अरुणिमा दुबे जी तैयार रहें।
हेलो। Nabha Sparsham Deeptam, touch the sky with the glory. These are not just the words, they are the heartbeat of a nation that has stopped waiting for the future and has started creating it. उठो धरा के अमर सपूतों, जननी की सुधि लो तुम। नया प्रात है, नई बात है, नई किरण है, ज्योति नई, नई उमंगे, नई तरंगे, नई आस है, सांस नई। From the soil of Narsinghpur, the place where holy river Narmada doesn't just flow, she chants. Where every grain of tuar dal tells a story of hard work and every stone of Chauragar fort whispers the story of legacy that never bows, I address. Greetings to everyone present here, Honorable Chairperson, respected judges and esteemed delegates. Today, I stand here not just as a speaker, but as a voice of 600 million dreams that this budget 2026 has finally funded for. For 70 years, the youth of India was trapped in a degree deficit. We were a nation of potential. But potential is a polite term for not yet done. With the historical outlay of 2 lakh crore from education to employment, we are now witnessing Skill India 2.0. We are moving away from job-seeking mindset to wealth-creating machinery. Look at our Tier 2 cities, from MSME hubs in Indore to tech clusters all over the MP. We are the third largest startup ecosystem in the world. We are exporting India's stack to over 50 countries. We are the generation that will see the tricolor flag not just on the moon's south pole, but on the absolute global summit. नदियों ने अपना रास्ता खुद बनाया, पहाड़ों ने झुककर सलाम किया। भारत की इस मिट्टी ने हर मुश्किल को आसान किया, भारत की इस मिट्टी ने हर मुश्किल को आसान किया। With the launch of Biopharma Shakti to 10,000 crore SMEs fund, they have laid the hardware. And my friends, Yuva Shakti is the software. From drone Didi pilots in our villages to semiconductor designers in our labs, India is no longer a back office. India is the backbone of this planet. As our ancient wisdom reminds us, Uddimenam hi siddhyanti karyani na manorite. Success is the born of the action, not mere wishes. Budget 2026 is the fuel and youth is the flame that will light the path to Vikshit Bharat. Ladies and gentlemen, the path to 2047 doesn't just pass through the corridors of Delhi, it passes through the fertile fields of our district. We are the Arjuns of 21st century and our target is Vikshit Bharat. For those who doubt the pace of Indian youth, मर्त्या मानव की विजय का तूर्य हूँ मैं, अंधेरे में किरण का सूर्य हूँ मैं, अंधेरे में किरण का सूर्य हूँ मैं. I am the trumpet in the human victory and I am the sun in the darkness. I am ready, my state is ready and my Bharat is ready. Vande Mataram.